I felt helpless when I graduated as an engineer a few years back. It felt as if there was a huge gap between what I'd been learning and what the industry requires. It had been an uphill journey from me from that time to now when I'm working as a product manager. Gaining practical experience is the biggest challenge for 75% engineers today. To solve this problem, we are building Omniversity, a hands-on skill development platform. We conduct project-based workshops designed by professionals to train students on industry-relevant skills. Insights derived from student progress are then shared with the right companies to help find internships and job placements. For students willing to develop real-world skills, Omniversity would be the solution you are looking for. I suggest you check out our next video, How Omniversity Workshops Work. Thank you.